Welcome to Disney This Day. I'm Egon Bonkers. And on this day in 2001, the movie premiere for Spy Kids from Dimension Films, well, it was held at the recently opened Disney's California Adventure. A parade of the cast led to a red carpet party in the Hollywood Pictures Backlot. The event was a chance for Boeing to showcase their new Boeing Satellite System and to beam the film digitally into the Hyperion Theater. The groundbreaking technology was intended to take over film projection in movie theaters, but, well, that didn't succeed really. This, however, was 25 years ago when they thought it might. Did you see Spy Kids? What'd you think of it? I thought it was pretty fun. Anyway, have a magical day.